Fresh okra is easy to prepare and store well when handled properly, helping it stay crispy and flavorful for cooking. With a simple step, you can cut okra neatly and store it to keep it fresh longer. Welcome back to my channel. Beautiful people, let's get started. Over here, I have my carton of fresh okra. Okay, so I went ahead to open it up. Okay, if today is your first time coming across this channel, thank you so much. Please do well to support us. Subscribe to our channel. Subscription is free of charge. Subscribe, like, share, comment, and also turn on your notification bell for more amazing food recipes. And to my returning subscribers, God bless you. I really appreciate. So guys, you can see our okra is so fresh. So the next, I went ahead to give it a nice wash. Okay, I used salt to wash the okra. Okay, make sure it is well cleaned.
I rise off like Sunday hug. Soup they warm like grandma's rug. No recipe, not feeling she use. Now memory she they produce. As she turn her ways they go. She they dance and you go know. Say this food where you they chop. Now prayer she put on top. Oh Mira's kitchen, joy they fly. Everybody go make you high. In no fake, not real love true. She dey pour, I'm just for you. MIRA'S kitchen like the show. Her spirit warm, my rhythm slow. You go taste them, you go feel. Say this kitchen love be real.
So at this point, I am done washing the okra. You can see over here, it is well cleaned. Okay, so the next is to go ahead to cut. Okay, cut to your desired size, right? So I'm going to be cutting and I'm going to be repeating this process until I am done using up the whole okra, or I'm done cutting out the whole okra.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Mira de cool. With love in her hand. You go taste them. You go understand. Oh, Mira. She know they rush, she they move soft. Fire low, but her heart they hot. Tomato sweet, that pepper right. She dey cook peace for your night. She dey chop small, dance small too. Waiting she give, you go hear you. Na kitchen be a sacred place, where she dey smile with gentle grace. Oh, Mira's kitchen, joy they fly. Everybody go make you high. E no fake, na real love true. She dey pour, I'm just for you. Mira's kitchen, where so they rest. Her food go beat for your chest. You go no say you dey home. With Mira, you know alone. I rise off like Sunday hug. Soup they warm like grandma's rug. No recipe, not feeling she use. Now memory she they produce. As she turn her ways they go. She they dance and you go know. Say this food where you they chop. Now prayer she put on top. Oh Mira's kitchen, joy they fly. Everybody go make you high. In no fake, not real love true. She dey pour, I'm just for you. Mira's kitchen like the show. Her spirit warm, my rhythm slow. You go taste them, you go feel. Say this kitchen love be real. She go smile, say come chop, no need to rush. This food not get this love.
Finally. So beautiful people, the okra is ready. You can see it is ready. I'm so super excited. Oh my, hey, to cut this okra, you gotta get strength for that, okay? So the next, I went ahead to put it or add it in my Ziploc bag, okay?
Oh, yeah, yeah. Mira, mira de cool. With love in our hand, you go taste time, you go understand. Oh, mira. She know they rush, she they move soft. Fire low, but her heart they hot. Tomato sweet, like pepper right. She dey cook peace for your night. She dey chop small, dance small too. Waiting she give, you go heal you. Na kitchen be a sacred place, where she dey smile with gentle grace. Oh, Mira's kitchen, joy they fly. Every bite go make you high. E no fake, na real love true. She dey pour, I'm just for you. Mira's kitchen, where so they rest. Her food go beat for your chest. You go no say you dey home. With Mira, you know alone.
Yes, so finally I'm done adding all the okra in my Ziploc bag. You can see over here it is ready. Beautiful people, store in your freezer. Asirim Guinea, store in your freezer for as long as you want. Okay, we have come to the end of today's video. Hope you find this video helpful. If you do, let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you, my amazing people, for watching. See you guys in our next one. Bye.